All right, guys, she's going down today.
Yeah,
Big thank you to Plinu for helping me out today. It's gonna be fun.
All right.
Cannot wait. All right, we got these Moog springs. These go on, I believe, a GT500. And looking under, it's pretty rusty, not gonna lie. But these are the springs we're taking out and putting these in. Should be pretty easy. We're just gonna lower the shocks. I mean, undo the shocks on both sides. Where is it? Undo the shocks on both sides, and then the rear just comes down and we can easily just pull those out. Jeez, it's pretty rusty, you're right. All right, got the first one out in probably what, like 4 minutes?
Yeah.
Super easy, not even. We undid this bolt right here, and then the spring sits right here. The axle's pretty loose, and just one person holds down the wheel and the other person just pulls it out. It was really easy. We're gonna do the other side now. All right, guys, the rears are done. It literally took us like 12 minutes. That's probably the easiest like mod I've ever done to a car. Super easy. So let me show you the new guy is in. Boom. We're not gonna lower it just yet. We're gonna do the fronts and then I'll lower it so we can see what it looks like. So keep the suspense going. All right, so we have the whole front end basically apart, not front end, but you know what I mean. The aperture's kind of bad. So we took the stock spring out. We're gonna cut out 1.5 coils for about 2 inches of low. So we're gonna do that now. All right, so here's the front spring. We cut off 1.5 coils. We're gonna throw it back in and do the other side and we're done. All right, we just finished 3 out of the 4 corners. This side is completely done. We're gonna take a look. I haven't even seen it yet, so I'm nervous. I feel like it's not gonna be that low because of the tire profile, but we'll see. Right? I don't know, we'll see. Boom, well imagine if, stop it. Keep going. Wait, the hammer. Go up. All right, go down. Oh, yo, the zip ties. All right, go down.
Ready?
Yeah. Holy crap! That's pretty good. The back isn't too bad either. Now, the back is gonna settle a little because these are brand new springs, but it looks pretty good.
That's not bad at all.
No. Not bad.
Check the difference from this side to the other side.
Not bad. Bro, that's good. That's some good low. Yep. Let's see the other side. So that's stock. This side even looks a little lower for some reason. And that side for some reason looks tall. Once they're all done, we're gonna come back and revisit this. But yeah, why? For some reason that looks monster truck. All right, guys, so she is done. I am absolutely filthy. So are you.
Oh yeah?
Who's dirtier, me or you?
Definitely me, bro.
How's my face?
Too bad.
That's pretty bad. Car's going down. We're done. The fronts weren't really fun to do. We actually broke a bolt, so that happened. We went out to buy some things, and all said and done, 5 hours later, it's done. And let's see what she looks like once again. All right, guys. It looks, I don't know. The front looks sick. The front looks slammed. Like, bruh. Look at that camber. Now the rear needs work. It needs to settle. Dude, the front looks so low. It looks kind of stupid right now because it looks so low. I don't know. Hopefully the rear settles a little because the rear looks too tall. The front looks insane. Holy crap. We're gonna drive around, we're gonna see if it settles a little bit. Down the road, I might cut the rear a little bit. For those of you saying we cut the springs, everybody cuts the front springs on these things. Like literally everyone does the setup. I might have cut too much. The average guy cuts cuts a coil and a half. One coil. The average guy cuts one coil. We cut 1.5, which a lot of people still do. It looks really good, but the rear, like I said, hopefully it'll settle. But don't give me too much crap about cutting the front springs, because that's honestly what everybody does on these things. I'm gonna go take it for a spin, and I'll let you guys know. I don't know. The fronts are too low. It's like too low. The forums say if you cut one coil, that it gives you like a 1.5 inch drop. And if you cut a coil and a half, which a lot of people do, it gives you like a 2 inch drop. That's more than 2 inches. That's like tucking. Yeah. I'm gonna order new springs. And so the company that makes the rear springs that I ordered also makes a lowering spring for the front. What sucks is that it's so much work to like do, but I don't want to take the drivability away from this car. Yes, it looks sick. Don't get me wrong. I could lower the rears a little more, do something with the rears, but it's just not practical. This is my daily driver. Looks cool. Looks sick on these wheels. Looks very like, I don't know. Looks very VIP. It looks cool, but it's not what I'm going for. So I'm gonna order the Moog front springs, or if I can find a set of stock front springs and cut just one coil, I'm gonna do that. But I'm probably not gonna drive it until I do that. Luckily, I do have the S4, so I can drive the Audi, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's cool. I'm gonna ask around the forums why I got so much low. Maybe it's because of my tire, my wheel and tire setup. I don't know. But hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.